right, we're gonna do part of our very last trim round for the chapter keeper. And it's kind of like a 3-in-1 because I'm working a front post half double crochet. I'm doing my half shell picot, and I'm also gonna show you how to do a picot. So it's a 3-for-1, you guys. On this round, you're only working with the front post. You're not working on top of the back post double crochet. You're not working around it. You are only paying attention to these front post double crochets from the previous round. So let's do a half shell picot, all right, HSP. We're going to go into the top of this front post. That's where I'm at, top of the next front post double crochet. I'm gonna do 2 half double crochets, chain 2, and then for the picot, I'm gonna go into this back bump. If it makes you feel better just to go into the second chain from hook, that's fine. But I like to go into the back bump of the second chain from hook, just a preference. I just like the way it looks. And then into that same stitch we were already working into, we're gonna do 2 more half double crochets to create our half shell picot. Now, we're skipping the back post double crochet and we're doing a front post half double crochet around this front post to keep the texture going. So we yarn over. Remember, we go from the front through that hole between the posts, behind the front post double crochet and through so that the post is on top of the hook. Yarn over, pull all the way back through from where we started, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now, let's do that half shell picot again. 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet into the top of the next front post double that we did on the previous round, chain 2, slip stitch into the back bump of the second chain from your hook, and do 2 more half double crochets in that same stitch. All right, one more, we'll do 1 more front post here. Yarn over, here's your next front post, double crochet. We're going from the front, around the post, through. It's just hooked on the front. Yarn over, pull that loop through to where we're kind of we're choking out that front post double crochet. Yarn over and finish your half double crochet or your front post half double crochet. And that should be what you're looking at. We're only working in those front posts.